Unfortunately, property lines and the people who occupy them don't always agree with each other, resulting in a little bit of a property dispute. Before really endeavoring in a property dispute, one must consider the financial and the emotional cost of litigating and winding up in court over a property line or other property aspect. It's crucial that you understand exactly how strong or weak your case may be before proceeding. If you have a weak case, it's better to know it now than to find out with an unfavorable judgment after a lot of time and money has been spent in the courtroom. But if you have a strong case and you're on firm ground, you need to proceed and try to force the other guy into settling and reach a resolution that's favorable to you. When you're facing a property dispute and going down the road of dealing with an attorney and possibly going to court, you need an experienced team that you can count on that will produce an accurate survey that you can have a lot of confidence in moving forward.
In order to properly survey any property, especially one that's involved in a property dispute, a thorough analysis of all the property lines must be made. This includes the subject property as well as all adjacent properties. There are many various factors that will affect the location of a property line. Say, for example, many times neighboring properties have a common boundary that is undisputed on paper, but at some point in the past, the line has been improperly marked on the ground, thus causing a dispute. So a key role of the land surveyor in a property dispute is bringing each party to an understanding as to what these various property line elements are.
In a boundary dispute, the surveyor is to be an impartial expert on measurement and boundary analysis. To the extent possible, we work for the best interests of our client, but we are bound by the facts and our findings in the course of doing the survey. Our job is to find the best solution to the underlying problems found within the dispute. These solutions may lie in the history of the property in past conveyances. The problem could arise from a vague description in an old deed or a survey that's not quite up to today's standards. That's not to say that someone in the past was negligent, but as property values have risen and technology has changed, the methods that we survey property have changed as well.
Many property disputes become protracted and drawn out needlessly because neither side has entered a firm, comprehensive survey that depicts the facts of the matter. Without that knowledge, it's really hard to make a good decision and things can go on because, let's face it, this is not something that people do every day. Other surveyors and attorneys even rarely focus strictly on property disputes. When moving forward, you need a good, sound, accurate survey that you can count on. We've provided expert witness and consulting services for many disputes around the Southeast. I'm confident we can help you.